Looking for a new heating or cooling system? Then you should know about heat pumps. One reason homeowners love heat pumps? Versatility. They can heat and cool your home. Traditional HVAC systems? Well, they can only do one or the other. I mean, why? But that's not all. Heat pumps run on clean electricity, not fossil fuel. They're up to 3 times more efficient than the traditional systems. And they come with built-in air filtration, room-by-room temperature control. Let's see your old furnace try to do all that. That's why, when it comes to heating and cooling, heat pumps are the future. And everything else is just, well, stuck in the past. Now, a hot little number like this doesn't come cheap, but that's where your friends at Sealed come in. Sealed covers your upfront costs on a new heat pump, and the energy you save after repays Sealed. So the heat pump literally pays for itself. That's pretty sweet. Know what else is sweet? Having a new heat pump. Every month, you'll be using less energy and living more comfortably. Honestly, it's just the best. I could go on about it all day. Did you know that they use heat pumps at